Welcome to another section of $2 Hosts instructional videos.
In today's video, we will see how to reset a WordPress admin password from PhpMyAdmin. When you enter your username or email address in WordPress and when you try to enter a password and then it shows incorrect, so then you can reset a WordPress password. To get started, first log into cPanel. Then navigate to Database section and click on PhpMyAdmin. Click on the name of your WordPress database. Look for WP_users in the table column. Next to the user you want to update, select Edit. In the value column, delete the contents of the password box, user_pass. Enter your new password into the same box. In the function column, use the drop-down menu and select MD5. Click the Go button to the bottom right. Congratulations, your new password has allowed you to access the WordPress administration panel. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to ask in the comments section. For more informative content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.